Class 11th Biology NCERT Reading Day-2 Part 1. Taxonomic categories. Classification is not a single setup process but involves hierarchy of setups in which each setup represents a rank or category. Since the category is a part of our overall taxonomic arrangement, it is called taxonomic category. And all categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. Each category referred to as a unit of classification, in fact, represents a rank and is commonly termed as taxon. Taxonomic categories and hierarchy can be illustrated by an example. Insects represent a group of organisms sharing common features like three pairs of jointed legs. It means insects are recognizable concrete objects which can be classified, and thus we are given a rank or category. Can you name other such groups of organisms? Remember, groups represent category. Category further denotes rank. Each rank or taxon, in fact, represents a unit of classification. These taxonomic groups or categories are distinct biological entities and not merely morphological aggregates. Taxonomical studies of all known organisms have led to the development of common categories such as kingdom, phylum, or division for plants, class, order, family, genus, and species. All organisms, including those ones in the plants and animal kingdoms, have species as the lowest category. Now, the question you may ask is how to place an organism in various categories. The basic requirement is the knowledge of characters of an individual or group of organisms. This helps in identifying similarities and dissimilarities among the individuals of the same kind of organisms as well as of other kind of organisms. 1.2.1 Species. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a species. One should be able to distinguish one species from other closely related species based on the distinct morphological differences. Let us consider Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, that is potato, and Panthera leo, lion. All the three names indica, tuberosum, and leo represent the specific epithets, while the first word Mangifera, Solanum, and Panthera are genera and represents another higher level of taxon or category. A genus may have one or more than one specific epithet representing different organisms but having morphological similarities. For example, Panthera has another specific epithet called tigris, and Solanum includes species like nigrum and melongena. Human beings belong to the species Sapiens, which is grouped in the genus Homo. The scientific name, thus, for human beings is written as Homo sapiens. Subscribe for more.